The Boeing 747, History, Crashes, and Lessons Learned in Aviation Safety. The Boeing 747 transformed air travel since its debut in 1970, becoming a symbol of aviation. Notable crashes like the Tenerife disaster in 1977 highlighted serious air traffic control issues. Technical failures and human errors contributed to several incidents, prompting crucial safety changes. Survivor stories from tragic crashes emphasize the resilience and importance of improved safety measures. Recent advancements in technology stem from past incidents, enhancing aircraft safety and passenger experience. Subscribe for more insights into aviation history and safety.